If Premiere Pro is running slow, crashing, or just acting a little strange, one of the best things you can do is clean the disk cache. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean Premiere Pro disk cache using the safest built-in method first, and then I'll also show you a deeper manual cleanup option if Premiere Pro won't open properly. This is one of those simple maintenance steps that can make a big difference, especially if you edit often or work on large projects. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first method is the safest and easiest one, and it should always be your starting point. For the best results, do this before you open a specific project. Go ahead and launch Premiere Pro, but stay on the home screen for now. If you already have a project open, close it and return to the main Start page. On Windows, click Edit at the top, then go to Preferences, and then select Media Cache. On Mac, you'll go to Premiere Pro, then Settings, and then Media Cache. This is where Premiere Pro stores temporary files that help it play back footage more smoothly, but over time, those files can pile up and cause problems. Once the Media Cache Preferences window opens, look for the section that says Remove Media Cache Files. Here, you'll see a Delete button. Click that button, and Premiere Pro will ask you what you want to remove. Choose Delete All Media Cache Files from the system, then confirm by clicking OK. This is the cleanest way to clear out old cache files without manually digging through folders, and it's usually enough to fix performance issues or free up space. One important note here. If you already have a project open, Premiere Pro may only give you the option to delete unused cache files. That can still help, but if you want the full cleanup, it's better to do it from the home screen before opening a project. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the manual deep clean. Use this if Premiere Pro is crashing, frozen, or won't open at all. Since you can't use the Preferences menu in that situation, you'll need to delete the cache folders directly from your computer. First, close Premiere Pro completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. On Windows, open File Explorer and go to this path. Users, then your username, then App Data, then Roaming, then Adobe, then Common. Inside the Common folder, you'll find several cache-related folders. The main ones you want to clear are Media Cache Files, and Peak Files. You can safely delete the contents inside those folders to remove old cache data. If you want to be extra careful, you can delete the folder contents rather than the folders themselves. But either way, the goal is to clear out the stored cache files that Premiere Pro no longer needs. These files are automatically rebuilt when needed, so deleting them is safe and often helpful when troubleshooting. After you clear the cache, restart your computer if Premiere Pro was having serious issues. Then reopen Premiere Pro and let it regenerate the cache as you start working again. You may notice a short delay the first time you load a project after cleaning, but that's normal because Premiere is rebuilding fresh cache files. The payoff is usually smoother performance and fewer glitches. So to quickly recap, use the built-in Media Cache Delete option first, especially if Premiere Pro is still opening normally. If that doesn't solve the problem or the app won't launch, do a manual deep clean by clearing the Media Cache Files, and Peak Files folders from the Adobe Common directory. This gives you a full reset without affecting your actual project files. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a video on how to clear other Adobe cache files too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.